Hi everybody. Today we're going to make a weighted shaker bottle because you don't need to buy fancy exercise equipment to do exercises with your upper body and your trunk and to add some weight, which makes it a little harder and a little more challenging. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own weighted shaker bottle. And you can use lots of different kinds of bottles. You can use a 1 liter bottle like this. These are all plastic bottles. You can use a water bottle like this. I like this particular water bottle because it's a little bit stronger plastic. So that's what I'm going to use today. And here's the finished shaker bottle. But let me show you some of the things you can use to fill your shaker bottle. You can use rice. You can use rice, which you might have at home. You can use dried beans, which you also may have at home. And you can use what I like to use, which is fish gravel. And this is clean fish gravel that you might put in a fish tank. So if you have fish gravel, you can use that. Otherwise, you can use something else. So what you do is you need to scoop it and put it into this small opening. So I like to use a little paper cup because I can fold that to make a really small spout. So here we go. We're going to scoop some gravel and put it in the bottle. Okay, and you're going to keep scooping and filling the bottle until it's about a third of the way full, or maybe halfway full, or even fuller if you can handle more weight. But for most of you, I would say about a third or a halfway full small bottle. And I like the small bottles better for you because they will come closer to the weight that I want you to be working with. If you fill the bigger bottle halfway, it might be too heavy. So this bottle feels pretty good. And now I'm going to put the top on and make it really tight so we don't lose any gravel when we work with it. And there you go. You have a weighted shaker bottle. Now I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with your shaker bottle. But there are lots and lots of things you can do with your bottle, and you can probably make up some of your own exercises with the bottle. You can hold it this way with 2 hands. You can hold it with 1 hand, and you can also hold it this way. It's a little easier to hold it this way. It makes the exercises a little bit easier because the weight gets distributed differently. If you hold it this way, it may feel a little heavier. But let's start with it this way. And what you're going to do is just raise it straight over your head. We're going to do 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. And then you can also do 10 this way. Same thing, 10 times up and down. You can also do it with 1 hand. If you do 1 hand, start with 5 because it's a little harder, and then you can build up the number as you get stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And don't forget the other side. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. You can also shake the bottle up by your ear. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same thing on the other side. You can also bring it up to the side of your body. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And don't forget the other side. Same thing on the other side. 5 on the other side. So whenever you're holding the bottle with 2 hands, try to do 10, at least 10. And when you're doing it with 1 hand, try to do at least 5. And then you can build that number up as you get stronger. Another thing you can do is hold the bottle this way and rotate your body side to side. And again, because you're holding it in 2 hands, 10 times back and forth. Great. Now, one more thing about the bottle. You don't just have to hold it here, you can put it on the floor. And when you put it on the floor, you can bend and pick it up with 2 hands. You can bend and pick it up with 1 hand. And another really fun thing to do with your bottle is to pretend it's an instrument and to march in place or march around the house, keeping rhythm with your march, like this. And again, you can change hands. That's great, everybody. I hope you come up with some fun things to do with your weighted bottle, your weighted shaker bottle, and let me know what things you think of that you can do with your bottle. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.